Welcome to Monster Truck Classics and fans. This is the Spin Master DoubleDown ShowDown 2-pack of Dragon and Jester. Let's go ahead real quickly and flip to the back of the package. And it says collect them all. High Octane Face Off. And we have Blue Thunder versus Storm Damage on the back. And that was the first one that I uploaded, and this is the second one. We're gonna take a look right now. Gotta get the other package off here. There we go. Let's start off with Jester. Looking good. Here's the front of it. On the hood says Star Creations. I like the wheels or the beadlock rims. It's all one piece, but the light brown looks good with the truck. Let's come up and see the body of the truck. Looking good. There's the tailgate. That's on the tailgate, and then the other side of Jester. He's looking good. Underneath where the chassis is and everything. Then up top, the design with the gems. Enjoy that. That's really a nice looking truck. So let's go ahead and take a look at Dragon. You probably already seen that, you know, that this is a new mold for Dragon, so it's gonna look like the new version of Dragon, the original truck that's out there on the Monster Jam circuit. I like the color wheels and rims that they used. And so look, let's bring up Dragon up close. Looking really good. Look at the eyes, the mouth coming out with the flames. The teeth are actually, it's like a 3D instead of just like one sticker, so you can feel the teeth, so that's pretty cool. The eyes, and then in the front where his nose or snout would be, look at that. This is actually has a bump to it, so that's, and then this is all bumpy too, where this spikes are for Dragon, or scales, whatever you want to call them. And I also like the windshield color that they picked out. You can still see the driver in there. His horns are at a different angle than the Hot Wheels one. These Spin Master trucks are, it's amazing of what they have done with the truck for the die-cast. Here's the back. Not too much there. There we go. Shows you the top. So that's really something. And his wings, and you can see the wings go up. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review of Dragon and Jester.